will not have a bigger enemy than a man that has fallen out of love with you. These people are scary. Men even kill their whole family so they can go on with another woman. They do not have feelings or emotions like we do. They exploit women's empathy. They play on women's empathy. They play on their need for love. They are predators. Be careful. Watch your back. Make sure that you have your own stability. Make sure that you have money, that you have your career in place. Do not rely on these men. You know how many women I know that are left on the street after they were with their dream man that was providing for everything? They don't have anything of their own. This is sad. Women need to start looking out for themselves. And don't think that women are your friends either. I'm telling you, if you are a woman that is either successful or you have any privilege in any way, you will be attacked by men and women. You need to watch your back.